actually have a Boxabl, yeah.
You do?
Some prototype Boxabl that's down in South Texas.
Yeah.
Some of these conspiracy theories have turned out.
$6,975. That's the jaw-dropping cost of just 2 months of rent in New York. But what if that same amount could unlock your very own smart solar-powered home? Sounds unbelievable, right? At first, it feels outrageous, maybe even like some sci-fi dream. But in a world where America's housing nightmare gets worse every single day, this isn't just an idea, it's a game-changing solution. In 2023, a staggering 771,480 people faced homelessness on a single night, a shocking 18% surge from the previous year. Nearly 46% of American renters are now burdened, shelling out over 30% of their income just to keep a roof over their heads. Over 22.6 million households are caught in this trap. These numbers aren't just cold data, they represent single moms working non-stop, students stuck choosing between textbooks or dinner, and families sleeping in cars or makeshift shelters. That's why a fully self-powered Tesla home priced under $7,000 feels less like a gadget and more like salvation. This rumored Tesla tiny house isn't just another high-tech toy. For many, it's a symbol of hope, dignity, and freedom from crushing debt. So today, let's break this breakthrough Tesla tiny house into 4 explosive parts. First, the structure. Can a foldable home truly survive insane weather? Second, the interior. Could 280 square feet actually feel luxurious? Third, the off-grid systems. Is it seriously self-sustaining? And finally, the modular magic. Can it grow with you piece by piece like life-size Lego? And if you're excited to learn what Tesla's doing next, smash that subscribe button to Auto Intel as we charge toward our first 1,000 subscribers. Hit the bell too so you don't miss the next mind-blowing Tesla reveal. 1. How can a flat-pack house possibly be tougher than the one you live in right now? At first glance, it might resemble a futuristic shipping crate. But underneath that clean shell, the Tesla tiny house hides a beast of a frame crafted from aerospace-grade recycled aluminum alloy, the very same type used in SpaceX's Starship. We're talking alloys like 6061 T6 and 7075 T73, packing tensile strength up to 83,000 pounds per square inch while staying feather-free. Light, rust-proof, and fireproof. Compare that to old-school wooden frames, which struggle at just 1,000 to 1,500 pounds per square inch and are easily wrecked by mold, termites, or warping. Tesla's design is built to flex under pressure without snapping, resulting in a structure up to 50% more wind-resistant than your average prefab. With its reinforced low-profile base, it can reportedly take on 140 miles per hour wind-smashing Category 4 hurricane benchmarks. That opens serious options for folks living in Florida, Texas, or California's coast. Plus, since aluminum is endlessly recyclable with zero quality drop, Tesla can source it straight from their EV and rocket supply chains, slashing both cost and emissions in one brilliant move. This tiny home's outer shell is pure innovation, using a high-performance composite foam core infused with phase-change materials, the same high-end thermal tech powering NASA suits and server farms. Unlike typical insulation like fiberglass, which only slows heat, this stuff actively manages temperature. When it gets above 72 degrees F, it shifts from solid to gel, soaking up heat. Then, it solidifies again as the space cools, releasing cozy warmth. That means the Tesla home keeps heat 27% longer in winter and reflects 39% more sun in summer compared to typical prefab houses. All this tech is packed into moisture-repelling, mold-proof closed-cell foam that's airtight and whisper-quiet. And the best part? Instead of slapping giant solar panels on top, Tesla bakes thin-film photovoltaic tech right into the outer walls and roof, using monocrystalline or perovskite-enhanced layers. These genius panels serve double duty as both your weatherproof skin and your energy source, no ugly add-ons needed. Each panel delivers around 200 to 300 watts, depending on sunlight angle. The energy flows into a sleek microinverter array, optimizing output from every single panel and boosting total efficiency by a wild 15% over older systems. That power gets stashed in the Tesla Powerwall, meaning a compact 6 to 8 kilowatt-hour battery pack that can keep the essentials running for up to 2 days without sunshine. The panels are even coated in self-cleaning, anti-reflective layers to keep them working at full throttle even in dust or dim light. Even more stunning, the whole house weighs just 3,200 pounds. Light enough to ship on a basic flatbed truck and set up without cranes or forklifts. That's mobility and freedom bundled into one tiny box. Tesla also plans to let you customize your home's exterior skins. Think solar glass, wood grain aluminum, matte black steel, or a gleaming white mirror finish that reflects sunlight to fight heat. These are just pretty options. Early performance tests suggest they can slash thermal loss by 43% versus a traditional prefab shell. Would your current house survive a hurricane? Would you trade square footage for survival, safety, and freedom? If this sounds like your future, drop tiny house in the comments. 2. What design sorcery makes this pint-sized home feel bigger than your average studio apartment? Stepping into the Tesla tiny house feels like walking into a mini Tesla model. Why only now? It comes with a bed, kitchen, and an entire lifestyle upgrade. With just 280 square feet or 26 square meters of total space, you'd expect tight corners and clutter. Instead, it feels bright, polished, and surprisingly spacious. That magic comes from Tesla's brilliantly modular, multifunctional furniture. Everything is designed to shift with your needs. Central Living Zone features a custom-built Murphy bed that folds perfectly into the wall. Once it's hidden, it reveals a vertical wardrobe with 20 cubic feet of storage and a clever fold-out desk that transforms into a cozy two-person dining table. Tesla reportedly worked with elite interior designers to cut dead space by 65% compared to typical recreational vehicles or micro units. There's no bulky furniture, no fluff, just sleek, intelligent layout where every inch serves a purpose. The kitchen? Just 5.5 linear feet but fully loaded. You get an ultra-efficient induction cooktop with smart sensors, a Tesla-engineered 3 cubic foot mini fridge that sips less than 3 kilowatt-hour a day, and an ultra-silent air circulation (CAID) system quieter than your local library. Even the bathroom pulls off a mini miracle. Inside just 18 square feet, you get a full-height, 78-inch shower, a compact sink with clever drawer storage, and a smart mirror that shows time, weather, and water stats in real time. Even with its tiny footprint, this home delivers the full experience, style, substance, and total function. And the materials? Next level. Tesla is using advanced compressed bamboo fiberboard or high-density composite woodall protected by a multi-layer nanoceramic coating. That coating isn't just tough. It's antimicrobial, water-repelling, scratch-resistant, UV-stable, and VOC-free for cleaner air inside. Bamboo grows 35 times faster than regular hardwoods and pumps out 30% more oxygen, making it one of the most sustainable materials on Earth. These panels are built to last over 25 years, even in salty air or humid climates, and pack a tensile strength of over 12,000 pounds per square inch, nearly twice that of untreated plywood. They're rugged, clean, and fully recyclable. Ideal for off-grid setups where replacements are tough and reliability is everything. What truly pushes this home into next-gen territory is its brain. The entire environment from lighting to air filters is controlled via the Tesla app or the upcoming Tesla Pi phone. Want to adjust temperature or check water levels? Just ask. It's like living inside a smart ecosystem, not just a prefab box. So what do you think? Could a 280 square foot smart home like this actually feel luxurious to you? If yes, Drop a comment and tell us your favorite feature. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button for auto intel because this is the kind of next-gen tech we break down every single week. 3. How do you live completely off-grid with this setup? Until now, off-grid meant saying goodbye to modern comforts. But Tesla flips that script entirely. Their tiny house isn't just independent, it's engineered for real-world, full-time off-grid living, even in the harshest, most remote locations. The power core? Solar-integrated roof tiles, each kicking out about 300 watts of clean energy. They charge up a compact Tesla Powerwall Micro, storing around 8 kilowatt-hour of power. That's enough juice to keep lights, fans, appliances, and mobile devices running for up to 72 hours even in complete darkness. It's a completely closed-loop energy system. No gas. No noise. No hookups. Water? Handled. Rainwater is collected right off the roof and routed through a 3-stage purification system, sediment filtration, activated carbon, and powerful UVC sterilization. It's stored in a smart 100-gallon tank that monitors levels in real time. Whether you're deep in the forest or off-grid in the desert, you've got water security built in. Waste? Handled too. The home features a high-tech vacuum-sealed composting toilet using thermal breakdown, totally odorless, waterless, and EPA-approved. Gray water from your sink or shower gets recycled for flushing or garden irrigation. Even air quality is pro-level. Tesla's bioweapon-grade HEPA system keeps the air pristine, filtering out allergens, smoke, or pollution even in disaster zones. 4. Is this the first home you could actually upgrade like your iPhone? This isn't just a tiny house, it's a flexible, intelligent system. Every core unit acts as a base pod with essentials for everyday life. But Tesla's not stopping there. They're building out a full lineup of modular expansions. Need more room? Add Module B with a full bedroom and closet. Want a private workspace? Module C becomes your Tesla-style office or EV micro-garage. Need an income stream? Module D is Airbnb-ready with a private entrance. Want wellness? Module E offers a mini greenhouse or meditation zone with infrared sauna vibes. And unlike traditional add-ons, these modules don't need contractors or weeks of setup. They click into place using magnetically sealed utility ports and retractable cables. Snap. Seal. Done. Tesla's software-first approach makes installation DIY-friendly. Their upcoming app will even feature AR overlays to guide your setup, just like building a digital home in real life. The 2026 Tesla Configurator will let you drag and drop modules, preview them in 3D, and order everything with a tap. It's seamless, scalable living built for the on-demand generation. In fact, 80% of Gen Z renters say they want homes that grow with their lives, not permanent footprints. Tesla's system speaks directly to that mindset, giving you mobility, freedom, and full control. Which add-on module would you install first? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear how you'd personalize your Tesla tiny home. This isn't just a house. It's a bold new way to live. A solar-powered home under $7,000. Expandable like Lego. Fully AP controlled. No mortgage. No noise. No grid. Imagine thousands of these units forming a Tesla village. A self-sustaining Tesla city. Would you make the move today? Before you check out the next exciting reveal, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for auto intel and help us reach our 1,000 subscriber goal. Tap the bell too, because up next, we're diving deep into Tesla's off-grid housing blueprint. You won't want to miss it.